Where are you? Are you a little bit nervous? Are you a little bit nervous? You don't know that place, hmm? A little bit nervous. Should I get you out? Come, up, up. There we go. There we go. He's going to have to get used to his bag. This was the first time. Yeah, we're going to have to play games to get Skye used to going into his bag before we can think about traveling. Yes, we first need to turn the bag into his playground so that he gets comfortable with it in time. At the moment, he is not very comfortable with it at all. Hey, Boo-Boos, you don't want to go in there. Look, he's skittish. He's skittish. No, you don't want to? Okay, don't worry. We just opened it. It's brand new. We just opened it. It's brand new. You just need time. You just need time, right? This is just the introduction. Okay, you don't have to go there. You don't have to go there. Okay. Down. There we go. Down. Come through the hand. Good boy. Good boy, Mommy. Good boy. Good boy. Come touch. 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 Come touch. We're going to have to get you to go closer to the bag. Come touch. Good job. Good job. Touch. Good job. That's how we will start. Yeah, we're going to just get you used to getting closer to the bag. And touch. Ooh, good. There we go. No? Oh, you see yourself in the phone? Now you're going to chase the bird in the phone. Oh my gosh, you're cute. Touch. Good boy. Touch. Come touch. Come touch. You don't have to go in. Just go close enough. We're going to play with the bag every day for a while. Touch. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. And then attempt to get Skye as close to the bag as possible and putting Millet right there. He's very cautious walking up to the bag, but I want him to get acquainted with it. See? Oh, we're going to have so much fun if you get used to this bag and we can go places and you sit inside and Mommy walks around. That would be so awesome. Then I can take you with me some days. Yeah. Getting quite close to the bag now. That's good. That's good, my boy. Well done, baby. Well done. Ooh, checking out the bag. Testing, testing. That's good. That's good. That's very good. Are you checking out the bag? That's good. Keep going. Keep going, my boo-boos. Keep going, Mommy. Keep going. That is so good. That is so good. You're coming to me now. Look at this beautiful boy. He's a baby boy. Oh, he's so beautiful. I'm just going to give him another kiss, okay? Mom, can I give you another kiss? Oh, you're so beautiful. Gosh. My heart melts when I look at you. You're so beautiful. Yes, you're so beautiful, baby boo. It has been 2 days since we got the bag. We got it 2 nights ago. And it is now Saturday morning, Saturday the 10th of June. And until a few minutes ago, Skye was not too eager to be in the bag. But now I've used one of his rope ladders to put it on the outside, and suddenly it's as though he has a sense of calm. He's still a bit cautious, but at least he's now sitting there and he is eating the millet I put there. The tray makes a sound when the seeds drop though, and that distracts him, so I'm going to have to put tissue paper on the floor, I think, because the clang of the seed shells when it drops seems to scare him a little bit. So there we go. I first took down his toy as well that I hung up initially because it seems to be blocking the entrance. But yeah, this is the longest he's been in the bag, and it's been less than 48 hours since we got it, so there's hope yet. Slowly but surely, baby steps, baby steps. There we go, teaching Skye to get used to his rope ladder. I've put some tissue paper at the bottom there, and I want to show him that he's got freedom to get in and out of the bag. The thing is that the perch is quite high, so if ever he drops to the bottom, it will be hard for him to get back up. So I'm going to have to make a device. There we go, you got out of the bag. See, it's not so scary. You're in control. Yeah. Oh, yeah.